Imagine a pool of water, but not just any pool. Imagine a pool that seems to be painted by the hand of nature itself, a pool that captures the essence of a rainbow and holds it within its depths. This one shimmers and shines with every color of the rainbow. The sunlight dances on its surface, creating a mesmerizing display that changes with every passing moment. It's so vibrant, it looks like an artist's palette, splashed with the most vivid hues imaginable. Each color blends seamlessly into the next, creating a masterpiece that only nature could craft. This is no ordinary sight. It's a unique, natural phenomenon that leaves visitors in awe, a testament to the incredible beauty and diversity of our planet. This is the Grand Prismatic Spring, located in the heart of Yellowstone National Park. It's the largest hot spring in the United States and the third largest in the world. The Grand Prismatic Spring is a natural wonder that captivates all who see it. Visitors from around the globe come to witness its stunning beauty and to experience the magic of this extraordinary place. Its beauty is breathtaking, a dazzling display of nature's artistry. The vibrant colors are created by pigmented bacteria that thrive in the mineral-rich waters, each layer representing a different temperature zone. But there's more to this spring than meets the eye. Beneath its colorful surface lies a complex ecosystem teeming with life and scientific intrigue. Beneath its colorful surface lies a fascinating world of science and history. The spring's geothermal activity is a window into the Earth's inner workings, offering clues about the planet's geological past and present. Join us as we dive deep into the heart of Yellowstone National Park to uncover the secrets of the Grand Prismatic Spring. We'll explore its vibrant colors, its unique ecosystem, and the scientific marvels that make it one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on Earth. From the microscopic organisms that give it its brilliant hues to the geothermal forces that shape its existence, the Grand Prismatic Spring is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. So come along on this journey of discovery and prepare to be amazed by the kaleidoscope of nature that is the Grand Prismatic Spring. Nestled in the heart of Yellowstone National Park, the Grand Prismatic Spring is a sight to behold. Yellowstone, located mostly in Wyoming, is America's first national park. It is a land of geysers, hot springs, and incredible wildlife. Among all of Yellowstone's wonders, the Grand Prismatic Spring stands out. It is the largest hot spring in the United States. The spring measures a staggering 370 feet in diameter. That's wider than a football field. Its depth reaches over 120 feet. That's about the height of a 10-story building. The Grand Prismatic Spring gets its name from its striking colors. They resemble a prism splitting sunlight. Imagine a giant rainbow splashed across the earth. The colors are arranged in rings, each with its own unique hue. The center of the spring is a deep, mesmerizing blue. This is due to the purity of the water and its depth. As we move outwards, the colors shift. They transition from blue to green, then yellow, orange, and finally red at the edges. These vibrant rings are not paint or dye. They are created by something truly amazing. Living organisms are responsible for the Grand Prismatic Spring's incredible colors. This natural wonder, located in Yellowstone National Park, is a testament to the beauty and complexity of life in extreme conditions. These are not plants or animals we can see with our naked eye. Instead, they are tiny, microscopic life forms that thrive in environments that would be inhospitable to most other organisms. They are tiny, microscopic life forms called thermophiles. These organisms have adapted to survive and even flourish in the scalding waters of the spring. Thermophiles thrive in extreme environments, like the hot water of the spring. These environments can reach temperatures that would be lethal to most life forms, yet thermophiles have evolved unique mechanisms to endure and prosper. The different colors of the spring are caused by different types of thermophiles. Each color band represents a different community of these resilient organisms, each adapted to a specific temperature range. Each type thrives at a specific temperature range. For instance, the yellow and orange bands are home to thermophiles that prefer slightly cooler temperatures compared to those in the center. The center of the spring is the hottest. Here, the water can reach temperatures close to boiling, creating a challenging environment for life. It's too hot for most thermophiles to survive. Only a few specialized types can endure such extreme heat, and even they are sparse in number. This is why it remains a sterile blue. The intense heat prevents most organisms from colonizing this area, leaving it a clear, pristine blue. As the water cools towards the edges, different types of thermophiles can flourish. The cooler temperatures allow for a greater diversity of life, resulting in the vibrant rings of color that make the Grand Prismatic Spring so mesmerizing. These thermophiles have fascinating adaptations that allow them to survive. Some produce pigments that protect them from the intense sunlight, while others have enzymes that function optimally at high temperatures. Together, these organisms create a unique ecosystem, each playing a role in the delicate balance of life in the spring. Their presence not only adds to the beauty of the spring, but also provides valuable insights into the resilience of life. The Grand Prismatic Spring is more than just a natural wonder, it is a living laboratory. Scientists study these thermophiles to understand how life can adapt to extreme conditions, which has implications for everything from medicine to the search for life on other planets. Research on thermophiles has led to breakthroughs in biotechnology, including the development of enzymes used in DNA replication. These tiny organisms, thriving in their colorful bands, hold the keys to many scientific advancements. As the sun sets over the Grand Prismatic Spring, the colors shift and change, a reminder of the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of life. This vibrant display is a testament to the incredible adaptability and diversity of life on Earth. Section 5. The chemistry of color. The vibrant colors of the thermophiles are due to pigments they produce. These pigments absorb and reflect different wavelengths of light, which results in the spectacular array of colors we see. The types of pigments produced depend on the species of thermophile and the temperature of their environment. For example, some thermophiles produce chlorophyll, giving them a green color similar to plants. Other thermophiles produce carotenoids, creating shades of yellow, orange, and red. The exact combination of thermophiles and their pigments creates the unique color palette of the Grand Prismatic Spring. Section 6. From green to orange and red. The outer edges of the spring, where the water is coolest, host the most diverse thermophile communities. Here you'll find shades of green, yellow, orange, and even red. The orange and red colors are often the most striking, caused by thermophiles that produce carotenoids in abundance. These pigments protect the thermophiles from the intense sunlight. The distribution of colors can change depending on the season and water flow, making each visit to the Grand Prismatic Spring a unique experience. Section 7. A delicate balance. The Grand Prismatic Spring is a delicate ecosystem, a marvel of nature that requires our utmost care and respect. This vibrant hot spring, with its stunning array of colors, is not just a visual spectacle, but a complex and fragile living system. The thermophiles that create its beauty are highly sensitive to changes in their environment. These microorganisms thrive in the extreme conditions of the spring, giving it its unique hues of blue, green, yellow, and red. However, their existence is precarious. Even slight variations in temperature, pH, or nutrient levels can impact the delicate balance of life in the spring. The water's temperature can reach up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and any alteration can affect the thermophile's ability to survive and flourish. Pollution, littering, and even walking on the fragile microbial mats can disrupt this delicate balance. When foreign substances enter the water, they can cause irreversible damage to the ecosystem. The microbial mats, which are essential for the spring's health, can be easily destroyed by human activity. It is crucial for visitors to admire the spring from designated walkways and viewing platforms. These pathways are designed to minimize human impact on the environment, allowing us to enjoy the beauty of the spring without causing harm. We must remember that we are guests in this extraordinary natural wonder. Our actions have a direct impact on the preservation of this site. By following guidelines and respecting the boundaries set by park authorities, we contribute to the conservation of this delicate ecosystem. Respecting the environment ensures that future generations can marvel at the Grand Prismatic Spring's beauty. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve this natural wonder so that it can continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. By being mindful of our actions and understanding the fragility of this ecosystem, we can help maintain the delicate balance that makes the grand prismatic spring so special. Section 8. A window to the past. The grand prismatic spring is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a window into the Earth's history. Studying the thermophiles that inhabit the spring can provide valuable insights into the early days of life on our planet. These ancient organisms thrive in conditions similar to those found on early Earth. Understanding their biology and adaptations can help scientists piece together the story of life's origins. Furthermore, the spring's geological formations provide clues about the Earth's geothermal activity and the powerful forces that shape our planet. Section 9. Respecting the rainbow. The grand prismatic spring is a powerful reminder of nature's beauty and the wonders of the natural world. It teaches us about biology, geology, and the importance of conservation. As we marvel at this natural wonder, let's remember to treat it with respect. We must protect this delicate ecosystem for generations to come. By appreciating and safeguarding the grand prismatic spring, we ensure that its magic continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. Section 10. A timeless wonder. The grand prismatic spring, with its kaleidoscope of colors and teeming microscopic life, is a true marvel of the natural world. It's a place where science and beauty intertwine, captivating the imagination and inspiring awe. As you stand before this natural wonder, take a moment to appreciate its grandeur and the intricate processes that create its vibrant tapestry. Let the grand prismatic spring remind you of the power and beauty of the natural world.